Okay, let's talk about the round numbers. Round numbers is a numbers who contain with 0. So let me show you. As you can see, every number has 0 on the right side. So as much as 0 you can see, this is more significant. So here only single 0, and here you can see 4 0. So it is actually more significant for these round numbers. Actually, round numbers is nothing but market makes auto support and resistance at the round numbers. It's not for all the times, but most of the times. But you should know the candlestick psychology before place trade following round numbers. So let me show you on the chart how does the round numbers work. So here is the chart GBP/USD. You can see this is a round number. You can identify automatically because it's already marked. This is 900. It means 00, and this is 800. This is also 00. So let's see how it's working. See, this is a round number and candle close near to the round numbers, seller's entry. This is a strong candles. Okay, and there has some gap more than this, and candle is weaker than this. It means there still have chance. So we'll talk about the candlestick psychology later. Now just check the round numbers. How does it work? See, this is also a round number, and it got auto support. Candle close at the level, then seller's entry. Again, see here. So as I told you, it will not work all the times, but most of the times you can see. Okay, then everywhere, see, this is a round number. Candle close at the levels, and it buyer's entry. So here also it got support, again buyer's entry. So by this way you can see you will have lot of example that round numbers is a support level. See here, strong support. This is a round number, and this is a single 0. So still this is a round number, and here you can see 00. It got support, again strong resistance. See, and it got support here. So everywhere, let's check some other pairs here. Okay, this is Euro USD. You can see strong momentum, and it got strongly support at this round number. This is 00. Again buyer's entry. So you can believe at least on times. See, it broke, again it got resistance here, then again resistance. Okay, sometime it will not work. See, this is a breakout candle, and this time it didn't work, but here it worked. Okay, so let's see strong support, again this is a resistance. See, everywhere you can see this round number will work most of the times. See here, here also. So every time you will have lot of example that round number is working very well. See, so you can believe this round number. So let's check some other pairs too. See, this is a round number. It got support here. Then this is a resistance round number. Here also you can see, and see here it's also worked. After momentum, it got stopped, but as may this is a uptrend. So finally this is a level 2, but after sellers become weaker, buyers become weaker, then sellers also weaker. That's the reason buyers again enter confidently, and this time also buyers was indecision because it can go down to, but after this sellers candle again, you can see buyers candle, it means buyers are now in full control. That's the reason you are seeing buyers entry, and again it got stopped at this level. So by this way you can check this round number how it's, see how it's working. Most of the time, see, round numbers it stops. See, this is very significant. As I told you, 40, it means it will give you strong support and resistance. Hit and reject, again it got resistance. This is a breakout candle, again it got resistance. See, everywhere you can see this number is working. See, because this is a strong round number. And in this pair, let's see, this is a round number, it's working, and here also it's worked 2 times. Okay, this is a round number, you can see support, resistance, again resistance, and it's trying, but due to this momentum it uh, didn't reach this level. But again, remember it, this is a auto support, but it's not all the time. You should have understand about candlestick psychology, then you can use this round number properly, otherwise you can't use this. See, round number it's got support. Okay, so you will have thousand of example. This round number it got support. See, this is round number, this is only 00, 000. So strong support, strong resistance here. So every time you will see that market will stop at least for 1 minute at the round number. So this is all about round number, and let me show you some example how I use the round numbers. So this is the chart. I have taken some trade using round number. So let me show you. This is a round number, you can see, and I have placed here higher option because this is a momentum and this is a trend, uptrend. Okay, and another thing is, you can see after one buyer's entry, seller's entry, seller's entry, again seller's entry, again seller's entry. But in this area, I can't see any seller's entry. Even this is a round number, and this is a breakout candle too. So when any breakout happen, this is not a strong momentum because there has lot of sellers entry between the momentum. So this is not strong momentum. It means there are chance to enter sellers for a retrace candle. Okay, and if this is a strong momentum, when you see this mass breakout, most of the time here you will see a retrace candle, as this is a round number. But I have placed here higher option because when I see this formation is broke by this candle, also this is a breakout, but I didn't place trade immediately because there are chance to make a bearish candle too here. Okay, there are chance to make a bearish candle too here with some rejection, something like this. That's the reason I have wait for some time and wait for some confirmation from buyers. When I saw some confirmation, then I have placed here higher option with some marginal safety. So let me show you one more trade here. As you can see, this is also round number and it's respecting all the times. As soon as hit, even this is a momentum, only single sellers. After that also you can see sellers entry. Again it's trying, but it got reject from round number. Again trying strongly. See, this time tried 2 times sellers, but this time only on sellers. What does it mean? Here meaning buyers are in control. That's the reason you can see strong buyers here. But candle again close at the round number. So that's the reason you can see strong sellers entry. But this is a level 2. From this level you can see strong buyers entry, and now candle close above this round number, though there is maybe few like 1 or 2 pips above this round number, but this is kind of breakout. But when you see this history here, this is a strong resistance now. That's the reason I even didn't go with buyers from this level and didn't go with sellers from this level immediately. I just wait for confirmation. Uh, I can go with buyers if I get confirmation here, and I can go with sellers if I get confirmation at least little above, because there can be a small candle something like this, because it's trying, so there are more chance to break this level, but still it close at the level, so there are less chance to break this level. Okay, when I found confirmation from sellers, then I go with sellers here. So this is winning trade, and let me show you another trade here. Okay, as you can see there are 3 round numbers. This is 1, 2, then here you can see another round number, and this is very strong round number 30. Okay, so this is a downtrend for 10 minutes, but this is not a strong momentum, because sellers become weaker, as this is a round number. Buyers trying, but again when sellers saw after buyers trying, still there is no buyers. It means buyers are not enough to make a buyers candle here. That's the reason we can see sellers entry, but now candle close at the round number. That's the reason we can see here another bullish candle. But at this time you should look for marginal safety. So I will discuss about marginal safety later. Okay, when even the candle close at the levels buyers candle, but still their buyers are not enough strong, something like this. That's the reason we can see strong sellers entry. And if you check this all this candle is bigger than any other candles and got reject from this round number. Okay, and there can be a small candle something like this. Okay, so I was waiting for confirmation from buyers, but only few uh, pips make it down here, and then buyers are trying. When I saw buyers trying and it got little reject, then I placed trade at the level, and finally this is winning trade. Okay, so let me show you another example here. Okay, this is not good market to trade. Strong wicks. See, everywhere strong wicks. So this is not good. And if you trade in this market, always you should look for you should look for uh, marginal safety. Okay, this is a round number, and here you can see round number. So both the round numbers are working here strongly. You can see this is a breakout, but as we can see there are strong wicks. So even after breakout we can expect sellers entry because of this sellers pressure. Okay, so after look at the previous times, I can see strong buyers entry from this level, and this is a round number. So that's the reason I have placed trade here, and this was a fast movement market. That's the reason I was unable to place trade here. Otherwise, I supposed to place trade lower than this every candle. Like in this situation, always try to place trade at least here if you go with buyers. Our main thing is better to avoid this kind of market. Most of the time, you will get OTM. So this is all about round numbers.